Once upon a time, on a beautiful farm in the countryside, there lived a very kind but poor farmer who loved animals and would not kill them for meat. He lived on the farm with a curious chicken named Chickpea and a loyal dog named Rusty. Chickpea and Rusty were the best of friends and spent most of their days exploring the farm together. One day, Chickpea and Rusty decided to embark on a grand adventure. As they walked through the fields, they came across a babbling brook, and Chickpea noticed a shiny object glinting in the sunlight. It was a golden egg, but their adventure was far from over as they encountered mischievous foxes who tried to steal the egg. Chickpea and Rusty successfully thwarted the foxes and returned home with the egg. When they opened it, they found a tiny, fluffy chick inside. They named the chick Goldie, and the tribe became inseparable, always having adventures on the farm. It's not clear how the golden egg ended up in the stream, but it's possible that Goldie could have developed special abilities as they grew. As Goldie grew, they started laying golden eggs just like the one they had been hatched from. These golden eggs made the farmer rich, and he used the money to buy all the lambs and animals in the neighborhood. This allowed all the animals to live to old age, surrounded by the love and friendship of their animal friends and the kind farmer. Chickpea, Rusty, and Goldie lived happily ever after on the beautiful farm, enjoying their adventures and the love and support of their community.